Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, let's check out the HBZ1250 XCub. It is a 4-channel RC airplane. You have the aerobatic functions. You just hit the button here, and then your joystick left, right, and backward or down, so you can do loops, and that's how you perform the aerobatics. There's a number there, N363EX. That's the number of the airplane. 5-channel transmitter. Here are your beginner, intermediate, experienced. All the way up, beginner, and then all the way down is experienced, intermediate in the middle. We're going to keep it on beginner for the hand launch. So without further ado, let's give it a shot. By the way, I bought this for my birthday. Or my wife bought it for me and my kids. So happy birthday to me. There we go. Wish me luck. Maiden flight. Hand launch. And they got the irrigation going today. Better not get into that. Wow, look at it go. A bit windy today too. So I think all the way up might be the, yeah, that's the expert mode. My bad. So there's beginner mode, all the way down the other way. That expert mode was cool. Look at that. Can't even hear the motors over the irrigation system. See if I can't get it closer here for us. Wow, super cool. 450 millimeter wingspan. Very neat. Okay, I'm going to flip it into the intermediate. Wind about blew me into the trees there. That was neat. Wouldn't have been cool, but that was a neat visual. Woo, it can handle some wind, guys. Fun stuff. Alright. Perform a stunt here, maybe if the wind calms down a minute. That's so cool. Controls really well. I haven't tried rudder. Let's see. Yeah, rudder works good too. Nice. Try a loop. Or a roll. Very cool. Try a loop coming back at us. There we go. Big old lazy loop. Oh, the wind threw it off. We'll have to try that again. Wow, so close to that tree. No problem getting in the sky, that's for sure. Way up there. I don't know if we have a battery warning on these or not. I didn't read the manual. Shame on me. Very cool. Nice roll. That's a good roll. So far, no range issues. And the distances I've been flying at. Whoa. Come on, wind. Work with me. Alright guys, I think I'm about to bring it in for a landing. There we go. That's the XCub by Hobby Zone. Check it out, make sure it's still in one piece. I think it is. Oh yeah, lost the prop in that tumble. There it is. There, I can show you it's a breakaway prop. Meant to do that. I'm glad that happened. I would have forgot to mention it. Just pops back on there. You're good to go. I wonder if we can take off from the road. I was curious about that. That's one thing I want to try too. We can test that out real quick. If we don't have any traffic. Good looking airplane. Looks like we got a clear path. Let's see what we can do. And you can steer it on the road too, on the runway. With the rudder. Oh yeah. Can definitely do it. Let's see if I can't get it back out here. The wind carrying me away. Such a light plane. Whoa. Okay. Work my way back here. So definitely can take off the road. Don't need much room. Just a few feet. As you seen there. Alright, let's try to bring it in for a landing right here in front of us. Woohoo! Yay! Very cool. Alright, so guys, I like it. Very fun. 4-channel airplane, or 5-channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Peace.